Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome to our channel. Today, we will show you a collection of wall-hanging wooden shelf craft project ideas for modern interior home decor and for income generation. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. Creating wall-hanging wooden shelves offers a unique opportunity to blend functionality with artistic expression, making them an ideal craft project for modern interior home decor while also providing a potential avenue for income generation. These shelves serve not only as practical storage solutions, but also as eye-catching decorative elements that can enhance the aesthetic of any room. The beauty of wooden shelves lies in their versatility. They can be tailored to fit various styles, from minimalist and contemporary to rustic and bohemian, allowing artisans to cater to a wide array of tastes and preferences. By selecting quality materials, such as reclaimed wood or sustainably sourced timber, artisans can create pieces that not only look beautiful, but also promote environmentally friendly practices, making them more appealing to conscious consumers. One engaging idea for wall-hanging shelves is to create geometric designs that can serve as modern art pieces while still providing functionality. By cutting wood into various shapes, such as triangles, hexagons, or even more abstract forms, artisans can assemble these pieces into unique configurations that draw the eye. Using a combination of different wood types or finishes can add depth and contrast, making each shelf a statement piece that stands out against the wall. This approach allows artisans to explore their creativity while considering the latest design trends, ensuring their products resonate with contemporary audiences. Additionally, these shelves can be designed to hold plants, books, or decorative items, creating a multi-purpose feature that enhances both the functionality and visual appeal of a space. Another captivating idea is to incorporate floating shelf designs, which can create a seamless and modern look in any room. Floating shelves give the illusion of being suspended without visible supports, making them ideal for small spaces where traditional shelving might feel bulky. Artisans can craft these shelves by using hidden brackets or cleats, ensuring they remain sturdy while maintaining a clean aesthetic. By finishing the shelves with smooth stains or paints that complement the existing color palette of a room, artisans can create pieces that blend effortlessly into their surroundings. Floating shelves are particularly appealing to those looking to maximize space without compromising style, making them highly marketable. Dear viewers, are you enjoying our today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. For those interested in adding a touch of nature to their designs, creating wall-hanging shelves that feature live edge wood can be an exquisite project. Live edge shelves preserve the natural contours and bark of the wood, showcasing the organic beauty of each piece. This design not only highlights the character of the wood, but also brings a piece of the outdoors into the home, resonating with the growing trend of biophilic design. Artisans can enhance these shelves by pairing them with metal brackets or mounting systems that contrast with the warmth of the wood, creating a striking visual balance. The uniqueness of live-edge shelves can make them highly sought after, appealing to consumers who appreciate one-of-a-kind craftsmanship. Additionally, incorporating mixed materials into wall-hanging shelves can elevate their design and broaden their market appeal. By combining wood with metal, glass, or even fabric, artisans can create innovative designs that reflect modern industrial aesthetics. For instance, a wooden shelf paired with a metal frame can provide a sturdy yet stylish storage solution, ideal for urban living spaces. Alternatively, integrating glass panels can create a light and airy feel, allowing the shelves to showcase decorative items without feeling heavy or overwhelming. This fusion of materials not only allows for creative expression, but also meets the demands of contemporary consumers seeking unique and functional decor. The process of crafting wall-hanging shelves can also serve as a platform for storytelling and personal expression. By selecting specific woods, finishes, and designs that resonate with their own experiences or cultural backgrounds, artisans can create pieces that carry meaning and significance. This narrative aspect can be highlighted when marketing the shelves, inviting potential buyers to connect with the story behind each creation. Artisans can share their design inspirations on social media or through their websites, fostering a deeper connection with their audience and building a brand that values craftsmanship and authenticity. This storytelling approach can differentiate their products in a competitive market, making them more appealing to consumers seeking meaningful home decor. Moreover, offering customization options for wall-hanging shelves can significantly enhance their marketability. By allowing customers to choose the size, color, or even the type of wood for their shelves, artisans can create personalized pieces that cater to individual tastes and preferences. This level of customization not only adds value to the products, but also fosters a sense of ownership and connection for the customers, ensuring they feel invested in the final outcome. Artisans can promote these options through online platforms, making it easy for consumers to design their ideal shelves, thus broadening their customer base and increasing sales potential. Participating in local craft fairs, markets, or online marketplaces can also provide artisans with the exposure needed to generate income from their wall-hanging shelf projects. These venues offer opportunities to showcase their work directly to potential customers, allowing them to demonstrate the quality and craftsmanship of their pieces. Engaging with customers in person provides valuable feedback and insights into market trends, helping artisans refine their designs and better understand consumer preferences. Additionally, building a local following can lead to custom commissions or referrals, further expanding their business potential. As artisans continue to develop their skills and explore new design ideas, they can also consider the growing trend of DIY kits for wall-hanging shelves. By offering pre-cut materials and detailed instructions, artisans can empower customers to create their own shelves at home. This approach not only taps into the DIY market, but also allows artisans to share their passion for woodworking and craftsmanship with a wider audience. Providing kits that cater to different skill levels ensures that anyone, from beginners to experienced crafters, can engage with the project, fostering a sense of community and shared creativity. Crafting wall-hanging wooden shelves presents a wealth of opportunities for creativity, self-expression, and income generation. The versatility of these pieces allows artisans to explore various designs, materials, and styles that resonate with modern interior decor trends. From geometric designs and floating shelves to live edge creations and mixed materials, the possibilities are endless. By incorporating storytelling, customization, and community engagement into their business strategies, artisans can cultivate a loyal customer base while promoting their unique craftsmanship. As consumers increasingly seek meaningful and functional home decor, wall-hanging wooden shelves can serve as both beautiful additions to living spaces and profitable ventures for skilled woodworkers, ultimately enriching both the artisans' lives and the homes of those who appreciate their work. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked for wall-hanging wooden shelf craft project ideas for modern interior home decor and for income generation. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.